Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining the MCQ on design of EOT crane. So let's start. Now here is the question given. It is said find the ratio per stage for a 3-stage gearbox if the overall reduction ratio is 250. It means the overall reduction ratio will be denoted as I overall. It is 250 and 3-stage means we'll have 4 shafts. So this is shaft 1, shaft 2, 3 and 4. So overall the reduction from 1 to 4 it is 250, and in the question we have to find out the reduction in one single stage. So it means here we have a 3-stage gearbox. So per stage how much is the speed reduction, that can be calculated by using the formula that since I, or the reduction ratio for a particular stage, is given by under root of the overall gear ratio or reduction ratio over here, overall square root of n, where n indicates the number of stages. So here I can say that since we have a 3-stage gearbox, so 3 and the overall ratio is 250. So my answer comes out to be, it is 6.29. So we are getting a speed reduction of 6.29 in each stage. So when we look at the options, 6.92, 5.29 and 9.62 are the incorrect answers. The correct value is 6.29. So that's the correct answer and the problem gets completed. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.